Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the Sheet's API and choosing credentials. Use a service account for server access or OAuth for client flows. Once done, share the specific sheet with the service account email or set sheet permissions to allow API reads. Make sure to download the JSON key if using a service account, or note your OAuth client ID and redirect URI if a browser flow. This gets you from nothing to authorized access, so your HTML can request data securely. Now fetch the cells, load Gappy for client pages, or call the REST endpoint from your server with the JSON key. Once authorized, request a range such as Sheet1, A1, C50, and you'll receive a values array you can map into objects. Parse rows into headers and records, then transform into HTML-friendly structures. Make sure to refresh tokens automatically or use short-lived tokens with server refresh. This prevents silent failures and keeps your page responsive during repeated data pulls. Finally, convert the parsed data into your HTML. Create a table, cards, or JSON feed and inject with safe DOM methods. Once done, implement caching and debounce strategies to reduce API calls and add clear loading and error messages so users understand state. If something breaks, first check sheet sharing and token expiration, then inspect API quota and console errors. Often a permission or expired token causes failures. Recover by re-authenticating or adjusting sharing and retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.